Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Okay, if you want to lock the bootloader, you need to have the stock ROM installed on your Samsung. If you don't know how to install it, on our channel you can find a video how to do it manually using the Odin app. So I'm sure that you will handle it and you can watch that video. And also you need to remember that locking the bootloader will cause that the factory reset will be performed and all of our data will be erased. So I highly recommend to create a backup of your data before that process. Okay, to lock the bootloader, we need to open up the settings, go into connections and connect into Wi-Fi. It is important. So select available network for you and simply connect. Then go back. Scroll all the way down until you find software update, simply tap on it, then go into download and install. Don't worry that there is an update or download process going, you can simply pause it. It's only important that we need to tap on download and install because thanks to that we'll be connected to the server and now we'll be able to lock the bootloader. So go back, go into about phone, software information, tap on the build number until you see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back, scroll down, click on developer options. Okay, and in here we have OEM unlocking feature that it's enabled. We need to simply turn it off. Click on disable. As you can see, we need to perform a factory reset. Click on delete all. And now our phone will perform a factory reset. Now we need to wait until it turns on. Then we have to go through the setup process. And as a last step, we will verify everything in the settings. Is the bootloader fully locked? So I'll see you in a second in the setup process. Alright, as you can see the phone has turned on, it took a while. So let's go quickly through the setup process. Select that you agree, click on next. We can skip the Wi-Fi for now. Don't copy. Next. Accept. Skip. Skip. Skip and skip. Finish. Okay, now let's connect to the Wi-Fi once again, just to make sure that everything went just like it should. Settings, connections, Wi-Fi, connect into available network. Okay, scroll down, software update, download and install. Let's wait again. Okay, we can pause this downloading process, then go back, about phone, software information, tap on the build number until developer mode is enabled, then go back, developer options, and as you can see our OEM unlocking feature is disabled, so our bootloader has been successfully locked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.